If you're dreaming of pursuing an MBA from prestigious institutions like Harvard, Stanford, or Wharton, you'll need to ace the GMAT. But let's face it, preparing for the GMAT can be a daunting task, and the resources available can be overwhelming and expensive. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you some amazing free resources that you can use for your GMAT prep. These resources will not only help you save money, but will also help you crush the GMAT without breaking the bank. Sounds interesting, right? Well, make sure to watch till the very end because the last one is my favorite. Coming to the first one, we have number 1, GMAT Focus Official Starter Kit. As the name suggests, this is the perfect starter for anyone starting out. The GMAT Focus Starter Kit contains 70 real GMAT questions, a guided review, and 2 official practice exams. Because it is directly from the makers of the exam and is based on the new pattern, this resource is a no-brainer option that you should definitely consider for your prep. Remember that this is the most authentic and accurate representation of the real test. Giving these exams is crucial for building stamina and developing effective time management strategies. You'll be getting detailed answer explanations for every single question. Identify areas that do need improvement. Number 2, the GMAT Equation Guide. The GMAT Equation Guide is an invaluable resource that every test taker must add in their list. This guide is regularly updated to align with the latest GMAT exam format, keeping you ahead of the curve. It compiles all the essential formulas, equations, and concepts you need to master the quantitative section on the GMAT. Moreover, it ensures that you have easy access and review all the important formulas and concepts during your study sessions. Going through this cheat sheet regularly will surely boost your confidence and reduce the chances of silly mistakes. So make sure to add this to your list as well. Number 3, GMAT Club. This website has everything and anything that you might ever need to ace the GMAT, and guess what? It's trusted by more than 1 million registered users. So let's get started and let me give you a quick overview. Number 1, GMAT Club free study plans. If you're a beginner or on any stage of your GMAT preparation, you cannot afford to skip the planning part, and for that you can use the GMAT Club's free study plan. GMAT Club offers several study plans, so you can choose the one that fits you best. This will not only give you a proper and proven way to study, but also gives you in-depth step-by-step things to cover in order to keep your preparation on track. Number 2, practice questions. This website offers over 10,000 high-quality GMAT practice questions, each handpicked by experts. If you're already deep into your preparation and want to test your knowledge, GMAT Club Forum has a list of 100 hardest questions as well as question sets to help you get to the next level. We recommend that you try these questions once you're clear with the basics, or if you're at the last stage of your prep, just to make sure that you make the best use out of these questions. These questions come with in-depth step-by-step solutions curated by experts so that you can fully rely on them. Number 3, automatic error log and timer. This is by far one of the best resources out there. Each question on GMAT Club is equipped with a timer, and if you take the timer, your answer will be saved in your personal error log. An error log is a tool which can be used to track and revisit your mistakes. You can easily identify your strengths and weaknesses, which will help you avoid making the same mistakes again. This process of making mistakes, logging them, and addressing them creates a feedback loop that fosters rapid improvement in your prep. Number 4, the GMAT Math Book. We all know that the GMAT Quant can be a real beast, but fear not, here's the best math book specifically designed to tackle the GMAT quantitative part. This book covers everything from basic arithmetic, advanced topics like data sufficiency and problem solving, and it's packed with tons of practice questions and explanations. No more struggling with word problems or crazy equations. If you're struggling with the GMAT quantitative part, you can grab this book for free right now. Number 5, the rewards program. GMAT Club also offers a rewards program like no other. Want free practice tests, courses, or even admissions consulting? Well, here's what you cannot miss. You can earn reward points for completing daily tasks such as attempting a question with a timer, replying to a post, or even simply joining a chat. These reward points can be redeemed for access to full-length practice tests, GMAT courses, and even admissions consulting services. It's almost like getting paid to study, except instead of cash, you're earning valuable resources to help you crush the GMAT. But wait, you might be wondering, how do I actually study on my own with these resources? Well, let me give you the exact step-by-step process. Create a well-structured study plan. First and foremost, go through the GMAT Club's free study plan. Go through it thoroughly, make a plan, and get started with your studies. Once you complete a topic, identify your strengths and weaknesses and allocate more time to the areas that you struggle with. Practice, practice, practice. GMAT is all about solving as many practice questions as possible. Use GMAT Club to access a vast pool of high-quality practice questions. After solving each question, review the explanations thoroughly and identify the concepts and strategies used in the question. Analyze your mistakes. While you're learning and making mistakes, it's very important that you keep a track of them so that you can revisit them later and make sure that you're not making the same mistakes again. The error log analysis feature can come in very handy in this situation. This can help you pinpoint your mistakes and analyze them thoroughly. Mock tests. This is probably the most important part of your preparation and you cannot afford to miss this. For you to be able to actually get the taste of the GMAT, it is only possible by taking full-length mock tests. This keeps you on track and gives you very honest feedback about your preparation and helps you build your stamina and time management skills. Accountability. Keep yourself accountable in the GMAT Club community and engage with fellow test takers. Share your struggles, seek advice, and learn from others' experiences. Having a supportive network can make a significant difference in your GMAT journey. Finally, remember, consistency and dedication is key when it comes to GMAT prep. Utilize these resources wisely and you'll be well on your way to scoring big and securing your spot in your dream MBA program. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing GMAT and MBA related content. Until next time, keep studying and good luck.